Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HMD Skyline, and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. Let's start with opening the keyboard. I mean the app which will provide you with the keyboard. So for example, messages, notes, browser, whatever. Just have the keyboard on the screen and enter the settings which are in this upper panel. Now we have to tap on languages, and as you can see in my case I've got 4 different languages added, so let's add new one. Let's tap on add keyboard, and here we've been transferred to the full list of available languages. You can scroll or you can simply enter the name of your language. Just find it, tap on it, and here you can choose the keyboard types. So just mark the option you want to use and tap on done. As you can see, our language has been immediately applied. So let's go back to the keyboard, because before I'll show you how to remove previous languages, I'd like to show you how to use the keyboard with more than one language added. So here the most important thing is the globe icon, thanks to which you can change the keyboard layout. So currently we've got the Polish one, right now English one, here we've got the Russian, I believe. And finally our Urdu language. What is more, the spacebar, it's not empty anymore. Right now we've got the name of the language we are currently using. So basically this is how it works. Of course, you can also remove the languages. As I said, just tap on this settings icon, languages, and tap on the edit icon, so the pencil icon. Mark the languages you want to remove and tap on the trash bin icon. And as you can see, we've got only one language applied, of course the language of your choice. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.